What's up, guys? What the heck? Stay out. Stay out. Okay, there we go. Today, I'm going to be testing out this rotary tool. I can't say the name because copyrightation. But anywho, I got it off of Amazon for like 40 bucks. And it came with a chainsaw, like, sharpener. There's some, like, chainsaw sharpener things in there. But you just stick this onto this rotary tool. Comes with like a little handle thing that you can put on this so you can be like extra precise. You understand what I'm saying? But then there's also this, I can't remember what it's called, but rotary thing, I think it's called. But it's just so you can cut like with a drill. Where is it? But like with a drill, so you can cut straight down instead of like being all like, you know. But it also comes with this guard, and it has a cord on it, but you know, this little extension thing that makes it extension, so you can use it like a pen. Like, I'm just testing it on this, but you can like use it like a pen, so you can get it like easier, I guess, because it's so thick. But yeah, you just put this little part on the end of it, and then this part right here will spin, and then you can put whatever tool you want. And I'll show you this little kit it came with. It came with this size of sander right here. Focus. Like that size is pretty small, more precise, kinda. I'm not sure why, you know. But there's also this one. It's a little bigger. That's the one I have on right now, just because. I got it today, 40 bucks, like I said. It comes with this size of polisher. It's pretty small, but then it also comes with this size. And there's another one, right? Give it to me. Oh, get it. I almost got it. I got it. Okay, my fault. But it's a little thicker. Not sure why you would want it a little thicker, but you know, it comes with a wire brush too. Oh, by the way, it comes with 3 of these. A thing to put on the sanders. This little part here goes on here, so it stays on there, I guess. That size, and then, one second. Okay, I grabbed the wrench. But it comes out with this little wrench. It has a wrench on this side, and then like a screwdriver part on this side. And I'm not sure what that hole's for. But you can, and there's little flat sides on the part that you put it in. So you can, I don't know, something. You can do something. But, excuse me. But, give it to me. Here, one second. Let me get this off. Okay. Should be good. Nope. See, but for this little part, you can just, like, twist this little top so it fits onto it better. Give it to me. Am I twisting it the wrong way? Yep, definitely twisting it the wrong way. Anybody else say righty tighty lefty loosey and still twist it the wrong way? Because I do. But yeah, another plastic piece just like this one, but you know, bigger because the hole's bigger. Lay this out right here. Yeah, Got those little two things. Comes with this thing to put these sanding discs on. It's just like a little more fine, I guess. Yeah, you put this, you screw the screw off, and then you put this on and then screw it back on, I guess. There's two of them. I'm sure one's made for the other. So, yeah, put that back over there. Got that, too. Comes with little more, like a little thing of sanding discs, but like less fine, I guess. Little different ones. Ooh. Little different ones. I'm not sure I think these ones are just like the least fine, something like that. But it comes with. Let me take this guard off. Give it to me. Take that guard off, and then you just slide it onto this part right here. It's a little pain in the butt, but like once you get it, it stays on there really good. You can take this off right here, and then this little part in here. There's different sizes of holes. So there's like that one. There's this size, it's a little smaller. I think that's the smallest. Yeah, that's the smallest. But, and then this is like medium. It's kind of hard to see, but here you go. Yeah, just put this back on. And you got to push this little button right here. It's a little, has a little lock on it. Press it down, and then put the right side on it. Might help a little. Twist that back on. Don't twist it all the way on if you want to put something in there. But there's a lot more things in here. Things like, how do I turn this thing around? Things like that. There's like this. I'm just gonna kind of speed run this real quick. Two different drill bits right there. Oh, an Allen key. It comes with an Allen key. A little tiny Allen key. Comes with things like this, different shapes, different sizes. And there's that other one. Not sure why there's two, but maybe if one breaks. What else? Yeah, I think that's it, but oh yeah. Give it to me. Gosh, kind of stuck in there, but comes with a little saw blade thingy-majig. Teeth are little on it. I mean, makes sense, you know. This sanding disc, I think, it's just like really fine. But what else? This stuff right here, this little wax stuff for the polishing stuff to like shiny things up. Like you could, like, if you get this saw blade all dirty, you can shine it up, you know. Yeah, the wrench, you could shine that up. The Allen key. See what I'm saying? But got that stuff. And you can change the modes on it. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 through 6. I should have just said that. Here's a little on-off button. It's actually pretty loud. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Sorry about that. That was really loud. Warning to headphone users. Golly. Yeah, that's about it. But I can test it if you guys would like. Probably use the stuff for wood. I'm just gonna put this little not that, my fault. This big old sanding disc on this. So put this on. What you get? And if you want it to stay on better, you just tighten this little thing up here to the right, and it'll make it like bigger, I guess, because I'm not sure why. There's a little metal disc in here. Probably means it gets bigger. Something like that. But yeah, there you go. Stays on a little better. And I'm just gonna be using this little thing right here. Kind of been practicing, I guess, on it. By the way, it's plugged in. You need a cord. So, and then you just lock it, twist this up, put this in, make sure it's locked. And then that might help. My fault. Might need a thing to keep it still in there. That might help. Need one of these. Not sure. The biggest size for the sanding disc thing. But you put this holder, I guess, in there first. Then you take this black thing and put it over it. But lock it. When this is... make sure it's not too tight before you put it in. I put the wrong size in. Is there a bigger size? What size was it? What the heck? I dropped it. I thought this was the biggest one. This is the smallest one. Biggest one for the sanding disc. I was like, what the heck? Put this back on. Put this on. Take the wrench. Make sure it's locked. Make sure that baby's tight. Put the sanding thing on. It's not a sanding disc. I'm not sure the difference. I need to tighten it a little more. Once I get... sorry about that. If you hear the background noise, my neighbor, she's mowing her grass. What time is it? It's like 11 o'clock. Not really. What time is it? 8:30? 8:20. It's 8:20. Don't want it on 6. For this kind of wood, I'm not sure what kind of wood it is. Wood. It's wood. Like that. Where's the guard? I put the guard on because why not? Just test it out, I guess. See, it's kind of a pain in the butt to get on that first thing. Yeah, it works pretty good. Made a mess though. Came off because I didn't tighten it enough, apparently. That's cool. Yeah, you gotta really make sure you tighten it enough. Or it just will fall off like it did. So you gotta make sure it's really down. I'm gonna tighten it. 1 second. Tighten down. Now it should be good enough. But yeah. So I'm just gonna put it on like between 1 and 2 like that. Do you see that? 1's this side and 2's that side, but it's like in the middle. Not too fast, not too slow. But I really like it. I think it's really good for only 40 bucks. The star review was 5 stars, which I think is really cool. But yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry for the break.